exciting because nakuha ko na yung pinadala na actually yung Cream O package na nandito si Ruby.
Hi guys! Kakain kami ng Cream O mamaya.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's open this up. So, medyo na-judge pa ako sa baba na sa lobby kasi naiwan ko kasi sinasabi na ang dami ko daw kinakain. Sabi ng bird. I mean... Ruby!
Oh my god!
Okay, happy girl.
Yes! Oh my gosh, guys!
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
My god, kumain pa naman ako!
Bumili pa naman kami ng food house! Hindi na. No regrets, may shawarma rice.
True, true. Trading po na nagaganap. Ano po yan?
So, hoy! Di ba ako nakakuha sa'yo? Hoy, hindi na ako nakakuha pa sa'yo.
Kami nagpalit, tas di ba tayo din? Kaya,
Okay. Ma'am, ito yung pinag-aagawa nila. Ayan.
Shucks! Oo nga, binigay ko kay Ate.
Kaya niya yan, kaya niya yan.
Yes.
kaya tingnan mo punong-puno
Sige,
sa'yo.
have fun, have fun. So, I'm starting off my morning with Cream O because, yun nga, pinadalhan ako ng Cream O ng products sila, and this is going to be a lot, as in a lot to finish. So, I'm just gonna bring for my friends, and actually, ito bukas na, ito lang dadalhin ko. Kasi bukas na siya. So, this morning, we have a surgery post-test exam. So, yun lang gagawin namin this morning. And then, later on, I'm just gonna finish some things for Korea, for our travel. And then, matutulog muna ako kasi parang today, I'm feeling tired. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako tired, pero ayun. So, I'm just gonna rest later, and I'm gonna meet Ruby downstairs sa may taho. It's going to be a fun vlog today because meron kaming gagawing challenge, which is the English only challenge. So, bawal mag-Tagalog. May parusa. Wow! May parusa. Ngayon ko na nilalabas lahat ng Tagalog ko. Merong parusa sa hindi mag-English. So, nakakatawa lang kasi hindi naman tayo natural na English speaker. So, nakakatawa lang tignan kung anong mangyayari sa challenge. So, ayan. Kumakain si Rubina. Oh, yeah! Anong favorite mo ba?
Yung cookies. Tapos ito yung second favorite. Third favorite ko yung yung original. Well, nice thing. I'm cream girl.
Hi!
Ito nga pala si Choco Marley.
Hindi ako nagpapapansin.
Bawal na po mag-Tagalog.
Sigilan niyo ako.
Bawal na po mag-Tagalog.
Iniisip ako. May iniisip ako. Isip ko kung ano yung sabi ng elepante dun sa chicken na tomato.
Ano?
Palagay mo ano sabi ng elepante.
Sa chicken na
Moo! Sabi niya.
Oh my god, so corny.
guys.
Knock, knock,
Bye!
Ay, bigyan nyo na nga.
Okay, sige.
Yes! Wait lang. Darlene, Jan Kyle, Pauline, Paulo, Maylin.
Who?
From the love. Darlene, Jan Kyle,
Let's go na.
Paulo, Maylin. Uy!
Okay, so we're gonna start the English only vlog today. So every time someone speaks in Tagalog, there will be
A strike.
a strike. Excuse me, excuse me.
What? We're filming it up.
Hi!
Welcome to
Hello.
Mars Vlog. Yes. We're going to Tiras. We're going to eat.
You know,
Brunch.
what are you gonna eat?
I still don't know.
Okay, I'm vlogging. You need to say something.
All-time favorite. We buy this every morning. Before or after the class. So, yeah.
Hi, hi. So, what are you gonna eat?
I still don't know. I'm still going to check out the camera. You want to see hi. You said it was... Oh my god. What you call that? The letter U word. U word.
Wow! There's the
Banana girl.
banana girl.
There's how much?
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's Monday and I just finished getting ready because meron kaming class ng 10:30 and our 10:30 class would be OB. And then later, meron akong exam for patho which is about the female genital tract, and hindi ako masyadong nakaaral yesterday because we started practicing for our ClinMed practicals for Wednesday, and buti na lang tomorrow is also going to be a holiday, so tomorrow we're going to practice with my group mates and yung mga friends ko, so madami kaming time to study for that. But anyway, ngayon lalabas na ako because I need to be early for that class, and ayun, ito yung reviewer namin for trans namin for the patho exam later. And actually, naka-second reading pa lang ako, but to be honest, hindi ko siya pa masyadong kabisado, so I'll just read it later on. So, yan. I'll see you guys later. Nina. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. It's a Thursday, and later on, meron kaming quiz bee. So, nakakatawa kasi sobrang random lang na napunta kami dun sa quiz bee na yun. But yun, mamaya mag-quiz bee kami. So, makikita nyo na kami nila Ruby and Jenica na maglalaro. Med fair kasi this week. So, I'm just gonna join Ruby and Jen. Maglaro lang kami sa med fair. Video. Wow.
Ano ba yun?
Sorry. Nasa banyo kami, bathroom break. Pagod na si Jenica. Hindi pa po tapos sa quiz bee.
Ang sakit na ng ulo ko sa amoy.
Ma'am. Okay. Hi.
Lamping in your area.
Oh my gosh, guys. Nagkamali siya ng sulat. Tama yung sagot namin.
I'm so sorry kasi medyo pingin ako. I failed the whisper test.
Kasi dapat may isusulat na letter. Nagkamali si Ruby.
Sorry.
Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Nakabawi ka. Nakabawi. Oh. Wow, ganda ng view.
Ito, maganda. Ay, charot. Tinanong ko pa yung joke kay Clark. Kasi wala.
Ay, ma'am, dito tayo dumaan. Ano? Kamusta? Jenica. So, ano? Ito lang talaga yung pinunta mo dyan.
Win-win na rin. Kasi may pagkain.
Ikaw?
I'm in it for the 3K pero wala na pag-asa. Sabi na lang.
Pero ang goal lang talaga namin is talunin sila Byron.
Oo nga.
Yung Chinese boy na yun. Pagmumukhang yan, tatalunin namin yan. Babangot yung kami, gugurungin yan.
It's a Saturday, so we have microbio today. And later on, wait lang, nawala ako sa focus. So later on, pupunta si Patrick dito. I'm so excited kasi medyo matagal na rin kaming hindi nagkita. I think, parang nung last time namin nagkita is yung midterms, yung last day of midterms. So I'm so excited about that. But today, we don't have anything much sobrang sabaw. Wala tayong masyadong gagawin today. Yung quiz bee last time, natapos siya ng around 10 o'clock or 9:30, parang ganun. Tapos medyo late na, syempre hindi kami nanalo, but sobrang fun experience naman siya, and nakakatawa lang kasi inaasar na namin lagi ngayon si Ruby kasi nagkamali siya ng sulat ng letter ng sagot namin. Dapat tama yung sagot namin, which is B. Pero nasulat niya D kasi yun daw yung narinig niya. So, ayun, nakakatawa lang. Pero, wala lang. All good naman. Fun lang. Fun times. Kaya siya nakapag-vlog this week because halos nag-take a break lang ako for myself. And, yun. So, we're back to vlogging this week kasi madami na ulit ganap this week. So, okay, I'll see you later. So, nakakatawa, nagets ko na kaya kung bakit parang nawawala sa focus kasi naka-manual siya. So, kaya pala. By the way, I'm breaking out. Hindi ko alam, siguro baka time of the month. Pero, I'm still waiting on that kasi grabe na yung breakout ng face ko.
Walang din. Both mo left and right eh.
Nagpa-cute. Record pala. Kasama tayo sa vlog. Hi! Hi guys! So, nandito na si Patrick. Kakarating lang niya. Pumunta siya dito. Sobrang init. Bumili kami ng food. Diyan sa baba. And ang mga binili namin is potato corner at saka mga ihaw. Wait lang. Potato corner. Yan po. Hindi nag-focus. Tapos, noodles, chips, tsaka ihaw. Mm.